Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2011 Yamaha R1 superbike. This bike is awesome looking. It's got a lot of carbon fiber, the fairing and the tail section and the rear fender. It has a Tochi 4x4 exhaust. Wait till you hear that thing. Only 25,000 miles on this gorgeous black R1 superbike. Come on by and check it out. Priced at $94.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.